What if I told you that the entire universe is built upon a hidden language, an eternal pattern woven into the very fabric of existence? A cosmic blueprint, encoded in shapes and proportions, silently guiding the flow of energy, the formation of galaxies, and even the architecture of your soul. This ancient wisdom is known as sacred geometry, and its mysteries have captivated mystics, philosophers, and visionaries for millennia. Imagine the spirals of a seashell mirroring the swirling arms of a distant galaxy, the petals of a flower unfolding in perfect symmetry, echoing the mathematical elegance of the golden ratio. These are not mere coincidences. They are whispers of a divine order, a universal code that transcends time and space. From the towering pyramids of Egypt to the intricate mandalas of Eastern traditions, cultures across the globe have revered sacred shapes as portals to higher consciousness. They understood that geometry is not just a science of measurement, but a bridge between the material and the spiritual realms. The circle, the triangle, the square. These symbols hold keys to unlocking the secrets of creation itself. In this video, we will embark on a journey through the mysteries of sacred geometry. We will explore its origins, uncover the hidden meanings behind its most powerful symbols, and reveal how these patterns influence every aspect of reality. More importantly, we will discover how understanding sacred geometry can deepen your spiritual practice, elevate your awareness, and bring you closer to the divine intelligence that orchestrates the cosmos. Prepare to see the world with new eyes. For once you glimpse the sacred patterns that shape existence, you may never look at life the same way again. To uncover the origins of sacred geometry, we must journey back to the dawn of civilization, when ancient cultures sought to understand the divine order of the universe. From the Sumerians and Egyptians to the Greeks and Hindus, sacred geometric principles were embedded in their temples, scriptures, and myths, revealing a deep and universal reverence for the mathematical structure of reality. In Egypt, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to this sacred knowledge. Its precise dimensions align with the golden ratio, embodying cosmic harmony and divine intelligence. The ancient Egyptians believed that geometry was a sacred gift from the gods, a means to communicate with higher realms and bridge the mortal world with the eternal. The Greeks, too, were captivated by the mysteries of geometric forms. Pythagoras, the legendary mathematician and mystic, taught that numbers and shapes held the key to understanding the cosmos. He and his followers saw the universe as a grand symphony, orchestrated by numerical harmonies that manifested in the proportions of nature, art, and architecture. Further east, in India and China, sacred geometry found expression in the form of mandalas and yantras, geometric diagrams used for meditation and spiritual enlightenment. The Sri Yantra, a complex interlocking pattern of triangles, was believed to be a visual representation of the universe, capturing the interplay of cosmic forces in perfect balance. Creation myths across cultures also point to the role of geometry in shaping existence. The ancient Hindu texts describe the universe as emerging from the sacred sound, Om, which gives rise to precise geometric vibrations that structure reality. Similarly, in Kabbalistic teachings, the tree of life represents a divine geometric pattern through which creation unfolds. These ancient traditions suggest that geometry is not merely an abstract concept, but a fundamental principle of existence, a language through which the divine speaks. Sacred geometry is encoded in symbols that transcend culture and time, each carrying profound spiritual significance. Let us begin with the most fundamental shape, the circle. Representing unity, wholeness, and eternity, The circle appears in celestial bodies, mandalas, and even the halos of saints. It is the infinite, the unbroken line without beginning or end, symbolizing the divine source from which all creation emerges. Next, we encounter the triangle, a shape of balance and transformation. In ancient traditions, the upward triangle represents masculine energy, fire, and aspiration toward the divine, while the downward triangle symbolizes feminine energy, water, and grounding into the material world. Together, they form the Star of David, a sacred union of opposites. The square, on the other hand, embodies stability and the material plane. It is the foundation of sacred architecture, appearing in temples and city layouts designed to reflect cosmic order. The cube, a three-dimensional extension of the square, represents manifestation, spirit solidifying into matter. Then, there is the flower of life, a mesmerizing interlocking pattern of circles, believed to hold the secrets of existence itself. Found in ancient manuscripts and temple carvings, this geometric lattice encodes the building blocks of life, including the seed of life, the egg of life, and the tree of life. Finally, we must explore the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence, nature's perfect mathematical rhythm. From the spiral of a nautilus shell to the proportions of the human body, these numbers reveal the divine fingerprints embedded in all living things. Renaissance artists, architects, and even modern scientists have used this sacred proportion to craft works of beauty and harmony. As we unravel these sacred symbols, we begin to see that they are not merely aesthetic patterns, but keys to understanding the deeper forces that shape our reality. Each geometric form is a doorway to higher consciousness, offering insight into the divine order governing all things. Understanding sacred geometry is not just an intellectual pursuit. It is a practice that can transform your spiritual journey and daily experience. By incorporating these ancient principles into your life, you align yourself with the divine patterns that govern all of existence. One way to do this is through meditation with sacred geometric symbols. Focusing on a mandala or a Sri yantra can help quiet the mind, elevate consciousness, and deepen your connection to the universe. Visualizing these forms while meditating allows you to attune to their energetic frequencies and gain insights beyond the limitations of ordinary perception. Another powerful application is in the spaces you inhabit. Sacred geometry is the foundation of harmonious architecture, and incorporating these patterns into your home, through design, artwork, or even the arrangement of furniture, can create an environment that promotes balance, peace, and spiritual growth. You can also use sacred geometry in personal creativity, whether through painting, music, or even movement. Recognizing the golden ratio in nature's forms can enhance your appreciation for the world around you and guide you to create beauty and harmony in your own expressions. Even in healing practices, sacred geometry plays a vital role. Energy healers use geometric grids and symbols to align the body's energy centers, while crystal formations based on geometric principles amplify their vibrational properties. Ultimately, integrating sacred geometry into your life is about seeing the divine order in all things. It is a reminder that you are part of a grand, cosmic design, and by understanding these sacred patterns, you step into deeper alignment with the infinite intelligence that shapes reality. Sacred geometry is more than an ancient study of shapes and numbers. It is the very foundation of existence. It reveals that the universe is not random, but an intricately woven masterpiece of divine intelligence. The more we open our eyes to these sacred patterns, the more we understand our own connection to the cosmos. By embracing the principles of sacred geometry, we unlock new dimensions of awareness, creativity, and spiritual growth. We align ourselves with the fundamental harmonies of the universe and awaken to the realization that we, too, are sacred patterns in this grand cosmic dance. The universe speaks in symbols, and now you hold the key to deciphering its language. The question is, what will you create with this knowledge? In the vast tapestry of sacred geometry, certain symbols stand as pillars, each carrying profound meanings and insights into the nature of existence. Let's delve into 3 of these foundational patterns: the flower of life, Metatron's cube, and the golden ratio. 1. The flower of life. Imagine a pattern where multiple circles intersect harmoniously, creating a flower-like design. This is the flower of life, a symbol revered across cultures and epochs. Found in ancient manuscripts, temples, and art, it represents the interconnectedness of all life. Each circle signifies a facet of existence, and together, they weave the fabric of reality, illustrating how all beings and phenomena are interlinked. Historically, the flower of life has been discovered in various cultures and locations, underscoring its universal significance. Notably, it appears on the walls of the Osirian temple in Egypt, suggesting that ancient civilizations recognized and revered this symbol as a key to understanding the cosmos. Beyond its historical and geometric significance, the flower of life serves as a visual representation of the cycle of creation. It mirrors patterns found in nature, from the spirals of shells to the formations of galaxies, reinforcing the idea that all life emerges from a singular unified source. Engaging with the flower of life, whether through meditation, art, or contemplation, can facilitate a deeper connection to the universe's underlying order. It serves as a reminder of the unity of all existence and our place within the grand tapestry of life. The flower of life is a geometric figure composed of multiple evenly spaced overlapping circles arranged in a hexagonal pattern. Traditionally, it consists of 19 complete circles, with each circle's center positioned on the circumference of 6 surrounding circles of the same diameter. This configuration creates a flower-like pattern with symmetrical hexagonal geometry. Within this design, several other significant geometric shapes can be identified. Seed of life, formed by 7 interconnected circles, this pattern represents the 7 days of creation and serves as the foundation for the flower of life. Fruit of life, comprising 13 circles, this shape is believed to be the blueprint of the universe, containing the basis for the design of every atom, molecular structure, and life form. When extended into 3 dimensions, the flower of life can be visualized as a series of spheres packed together, creating a complex lattice-like structure that reflects the interconnectedness of all forms in the universe. 2. Metatron's cube. Emerging from the flower of life is the enigmatic Metatron's cube. Named after the archangel Metatron, this symbol encompasses all 5 Platonic solids, the fundamental building blocks of the universe. By connecting the centers of 13 circles, Metatron's cube illustrates the unity of the finite and the infinite, the material and the spiritual. It's believed to be a map of creation itself, guiding energy flow and balance throughout the cosmos. Each of these shapes corresponds to an element: fire, earth, air, ether, and water, symbolizing the diversity of creation emanating from a singular source. The interlocking nature of these solids within Metatron's cube signifies the interconnectedness of all things, reflecting the intricate balance and harmony inherent in the universe. In mystical traditions, Archangel Metatron is considered the celestial scribe and guardian of the tree of life. The cube associated with him is thought to be a divine blueprint, a conduit through which Metatron channels energy, ensuring the seamless flow between the spiritual and physical planes. Engaging with Metatron's cube through meditation or visualization is believed to align one's energy centers, fostering spiritual growth and enlightenment. The symbol serves as a tool for personal transformation, guiding individuals toward a deeper understanding of the universe and their place within it. Beyond its spiritual significance, Metatron's cube has permeated various facets of art and architecture, symbolizing the fusion of science and spirituality. Its geometric precision inspires designs that resonate with the innate human sense of balance and beauty. 3. The golden ratio. A rectangle whose side lengths are in the golden ratio is termed a golden rectangle. When subdivided, it produces a logarithmic spiral known as the golden spiral, which appears in hurricanes, galaxies, and even the cochlea of the human ear. The golden ratio in human anatomy. The human body exhibits the golden ratio in various proportions. The distance from the navel to the feet compared to the body's total height approximates phi, as does the ratio between the forearm and hand. In contemporary times, the golden ratio continues to influence design, ensuring that creations resonate with the innate human perception of beauty and balance. Embedded in the very structure of nature is the golden ratio, approximately 1.618. This mathematical proportion manifests in the spirals of shells, the branching of trees, and even the proportions of the human body. Artists and architects have harnessed this ratio to create aesthetically pleasing compositions, from the Parthenon in Greece to Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man. The golden ratio serves as a testament to the inherent harmony and balance present in the universe. These symbols are more than mere designs. They are keys to understanding the universe's blueprint. By meditating upon and integrating these patterns into our lives, we align ourselves with the cosmos's intrinsic order, fostering spiritual growth and a deeper connection to the world around us. The golden ratio, nature's universal blueprint. Embedded within the fabric of the universe is a unique mathematical relationship known as the golden ratio, represented by the Greek letter phi. This irrational number, approximately equal to 1.618, serves as a fundamental constant in nature, art, and architecture. Mathematical definition. Mathematically, the golden ratio is defined by the relationship between two quantities, A and B, such that the ratio of A to B is the same as the ratio of their sum to A. Expressed algebraically, A plus B, A equals sign, AB equals sign, phi. The golden ratio in nature. This ratio manifests in various natural phenomena. The arrangement of leaves around a stem, the pattern of seeds in a sunflower, and the spirals of shells all exhibit the golden ratio, contributing to efficient growth and structural harmony. The golden ratio in art and architecture. Artists and architects have long been inspired by the golden ratio, incorporating it to achieve aesthetic balance. The Parthenon's facade and the dimensions of the Vitruvian Man are believed to reflect this divine proportion, creating a sense of harmony and beauty. The golden rectangle and spiral. A rectangle whose side lengths are in the golden ratio is termed a golden rectangle. When subdivided, it produces a logarithmic spiral, known as the golden spiral, which appears in hurricanes, galaxies, and even the cochlea of the human ear. The golden ratio in human anatomy. The human body exhibits the golden ratio in various proportions. The distance from the navel to the feet compared to the body's total height approximates phi, as does the ratio between the forearm and hand. In contemporary times, the golden ratio continues to influence design, ensuring that creations resonate with the innate human perception of beauty and balance.